Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 9 divided by 3 divided by 9 minus 1. So 9 divided by 3 gives us 3, and 9 minus 1 gives us 8. Now 3 divided by 8 gives us 3 over 8. So this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way: first parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. According to this rule, we have two divisions here that we have to solve these first. And as we know, division has higher priority than the subtraction. So we have solved from left to right. So 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. Now 3 divided by 9 gives us 3 over 9. Now we can simplify these expressions. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1, and 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. So we have 1 over 3 minus 1. So we have here 1, and now 1 times 3 gives us 3. Now 3 divided by 3 gives us 1, and 1 times 1 gives us 1. Now 3 divided by 1 gives us 3, and 3 times 1 gives us 3, and we have negative between these. So 1 minus 3 gives us negative 2 over 3. The final answer is negative 2 over 3. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.